Hello everyone. Welcome to EA Home Design. Thanks for joining today's episode. We will know 5 main door design ideas. So let's start today's episode. Today, main door designs for home come in a variety of styles. Right from single-paneled, simple designs to double-door main entrance ideas, there is something for every home. When choosing a design for your main entrance, you might want to consider some other aspects too, like the exterior facade composition. What is the basic theme of the area, whether the place is Vastu compliant, and so on and so forth. Number 1. Solid wood, main door design. Perfect for all kinds of homes, be it an apartment or an independent house, or even a bungalow design. A solid wood main door always delivers. And how? Solid wood works great for the main door design as it is sturdy and strong. It is known to withstand the test of weather, think storms and heavy rain, and can obviously sustain heavy banging. In the olden days, solid wood was also considered a great option for the main entrance of the house as it could put up a tough fight against burglars too. Red oak, mahogany, white pine, cedar, and cherry wood are some of the best types of woods you can use for main door designs for home. As you can see in the image above, these styles are minimal and chic, and the best part is these woods have a tendency to last at least 20 to 60 years with minimum and inexpensive repair. Number 2. Brass main door design for home. Best suited for villas and bungalow house types, a brass main door design screams luxury and panache. What else do you expect from a heavy metal assembly at the entrance of your house? Brass is considered a good and durable metal for the main door design for the home as it is fireproof and resistant to rust, requiring minimum maintenance. As you can see from the image above, brass doors can come in stunning designs and can match creative and elegant interiors and exteriors. With their unique appeal and distinct design, or the lack of it, these doors stand out and are also used to portray wealth and strength symbolically. Number 3. Black main door design for home. Black is the color of power, and it is the color of strength. Having a black main door is a symbol of sophistication and authority. You can choose black as the color of your main door design and take inspiration from the image above. A 3-paneled door with glass as part of the design. This is a subtle yet classy composition. As per feng shui, it is great to have a black main door design for home, as black is known to absorb positive energy and bring it inside your house. This is especially valid for doors facing the north direction. Those looking for power and authority in life should make black their choice of color. Number 4. Main door design for home with ironwork. A beautiful mix of wood, iron and glass. This main door design is a common design in country homes. As you can see from the image above, a good quality wooden frame uses reflective glass and an iron welded design, offering an elegant entrance to your space. This design can be achieved using a variety of wood like mahogany, teak, or cherry wood, and you could opt for either reed or reflective glass. Number 5. Arched main door design. If you are looking to make a statement with your main door design, an arched composition will help you get that look and so much more. Take, for instance, the design on the door in the image above. The intricate wood carving in a 6-paneled arched door is dark solid wood. What a beauty it is. Choose a carving design that resonates with you and fits into the interior frame of your house, and add some plants to the setting. You are sorted. Today our episode so far. If you like our video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And EA Home Design is always by your side to decorate your home and make any changes.